Dive into a world of kidney magic as we explore the top 9 foods that will turbocharge your kidney health. The human body is like a symphony, and our kidneys play the role of unsung heroes, ensuring the harmony that keeps us thriving. In this thrilling journey, we'll unravel the secrets behind these powerhouse organs and discover the science behind 9 foods that can supercharge your kidney cleansing process. Watermelon Wonderland. Beyond being a summer sensation, watermelon is a hydrating superhero. Packed with citrulline, a natural amino acid, it doesn't just quench your thirst, but also promotes vasodilation, enhancing blood flow to your kidneys. Let's sip into the refreshing benefits that make watermelon a true kidney ally. Crispy Cucumber Crusaders. Cucumbers are more than just salad stars. They are hydration champions. With their diuretic properties, cucumbers flush out toxins, maintaining fluid balance. Loaded with antioxidants, they form a shield against oxidative stress, safeguarding your kidneys from potential damage. Crunch on for kidney vitality. Blueberry Bliss. The vibrant hue of blueberries isn't just eye-catching. It's a sign of anthocyanins, potent antioxidants with kidney cleansing prowess. Dive into the anti-inflammatory dance of blueberries, protecting your kidneys from chronic inflammation and bolstering their resilience. Let's celebrate the burst of flavor and health in every blueberry. Leafy Green Symphony. Spinach, kale, and their leafy companions are nature's elixir for kidney health. Packed with vitamins A and C, they strengthen renal cells and act as antioxidants, fending off oxidative stress. Folate, another leafy green gem, aids in efficient waste elimination. Join the green revolution for a kidney detox and overall well-being. Garlic, a taste of kidney wellness. Beyond its culinary charm, garlic brings a medicinal touch to the table. Infused with allicin, it's a potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial powerhouse. Watch garlic waltz against inflammation, protecting your kidneys from potential harm. Add a dash of garlic not just for flavor, but for a strategic move in supporting your kidneys' delicate balance. Ginger Glory. Spice up your kidney cleanse with the magic of ginger. Beyond its kick, ginger boasts anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powers that create a protective shield for your kidneys. Watch as ginger dances against inflammation, promoting optimal renal well-being. Whether in your tea or as a seasoning, ginger becomes a delicious strategy for enhancing kidney health. Cranberry Crusaders. Cranberries aren't just tangy, they're dynamic detoxifiers. Packed with prothocyanidin, they prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. Witness the dual action of cranberries in protecting kidneys from potential complications. Spice up your kidney cleanse routine with a touch of cranberry zing. Fatty Fish Symphony. Dive into a different strategy for kidney cleansing with fatty fish. Loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, they're anti-inflammatory powerhouses essential for reducing the risk of kidney disease. Join the molecular dance of these fatty acids, providing a foundation for sustained kidney well-being. Fatty fish, more than a cleanse, is a source of support for optimal kidney function. Citrus Fruit Fiesta. Citrus fruits aren't just refreshing, they're vital for kidney health. Packed with vitamin C, they become a proactive measure against kidney stones by adjusting urine acidity. Experience the zesty addition to your diet as citrus fruits provide a natural defense mechanism against oxidative stress. Strengthen your kidneys with the antioxidant power of vitamin C. Asterisk asterisk nature's bounty unleashed asterisk asterisk. From the hydrating heroism of watermelon to the detoxifying properties of citrus fruits, each food highlighted in this kidney health saga contributes uniquely to the intricate dance of kidney health. Integrating these foods into your diet goes beyond cleansing. It's a holistic approach to nourishing your body with the inherent security that nature offers. Asterisk asterisk guided wellness asterisk asterisk. Remember, it's essential to consult healthcare professionals for personalized guidance. By incorporating these foods into your culinary tapestry, you commit to an act of self-care, promoting kidney health, and laying the foundation for a resilient and vibrant life. Asterisk asterisk empower your journey asterisk asterisk. Click the like button, subscribe, enable notifications, and share the video with friends and family. Together, let's empower ourselves with knowledge, making informed choices for the sustained well-being of our kidneys and overall health. Cheers to unlocking the potential within you.